Former Tulsa Police Department officer DeAngelo Reyes found himself at the center of a serious legal battle after being charged with first-degree rape. The incident in question reportedly took place on April 17, 2022. On that day, while on duty in his patrol car, Reyes encountered a woman who was out walking her dog. What started as a routine stop quickly took a dark turn, leading to allegations that would eventually cost Reyes his career. As the investigation unfolded, the evidence against him began to mount, and the gravity of the situation became clear. Facing the impending charges, Reyes made the decision to resign from the police force, stepping down just one day before the official charges were filed on June 10, 2022. His resignation marked the end of his time in law enforcement, but also the beginning of a legal process that would scrutinize his actions on that fateful day.
Sexy. Is that unprofessional of me? I don't know. I'm sorry, but like, I'm just like, damn. What's your name?
My name?
Mm-hmm. I'm Eric.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I heard some noise that direction, but I didn't see
Okay.
anybody.
Oh, do you live around here?
Yeah, I stay at the motel.
Oh, which one?
The studio.
Oh, okay. What's your name?
My name?
Mm-hmm. I'm Eric.
Nice to meet you.
You're sexy. Is that unprofessional of me? I don't know. I'm sorry, but like,
I mean,
I'm just like, damn. You just chilling tonight?
Probably.
Okay. If I'm wandering around, where should I wander?
Probably somewhere around the Studio Star.
At the Studio Star. Okay.
Newly released body camera footage sheds light on the troubling actions of DeAngelo Reyes during the incident. The footage reveals Reyes initiating a conversation with the woman he had stopped, casually asking for her name and introducing himself under the false name Eric. As the exchange continued, Reyes crossed a line, making inappropriate remarks by calling the woman sexy, and then awkwardly apologizing for the unprofessional nature of his comment. But he didn't stop there. He went on to probe further, asking about her plans and where he might be able to find her later, raising serious concerns about his intentions that day.
Most people call me Red.
Red? You got a room? Okay.
Just me and my dog Felony.
Oh, really? Okay. You're sexy. Is that unprofessional of me? I don't know. I'm sorry, but like, I'm just like, damn.
The situation escalated further when an affidavit revealed more disturbing details about DeAngelo Reyes' actions. According to the document, Reyes later showed up at the hotel where the woman was staying. This time, he was dressed in his Tulsa police uniform and arrived in his patrol car, adding an intimidating layer to the encounter. Once inside her room, Reyes reportedly brought up her criminal record, making it clear that he had the power to incarcerate her again, if he chose to. The victim recounted that Reyes then sat on the bed, kissed her neck, and engaged in sexual activity against her will. The fear and power imbalance in that moment were overwhelming, leaving the victim feeling trapped and helpless. After the woman reported the incident, an investigation was launched, and authorities reviewed Reyes' body camera footage from the time in question. What they found was additional evidence of inappropriate behavior, further corroborating the victim's claims. Initially, Reyes denied the allegations, but under mounting evidence and pressure, he eventually admitted to engaging in misconduct, though he did so in the presence of his attorney. Faced with the gravity of the situation, Reyes resigned from the Tulsa Police Department on June 9, 2022, just one day before charges were officially filed against him. Despite his plea of not guilty, the charges related to this incident remain serious, and he is now facing the legal consequences of his actions. The Las Vegas Police Department recently released body camera footage following a plea deal involving former officer Richard Scavone, who admitted to using excessive force during an incident in January 2015. Scavone, 50 years old at the time of the plea, was caught on camera interacting with a woman in a way that quickly escalated into violence.
All right, come on over, man. Hey!
What?
Come over here. Get on. Put your hand behind your back.
So what do you...
I got the taser out. Put your hand behind your back. Put your palms together.
How am I supposed to put my palms together if you got my fucking hand?
That's it.
All right.
That's it. I'm going to dump you on the floor in a minute. Hell you think you're talking to? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Talking to me? Spread your feet.
My feet are straight. Why do you have your hands on my fucking neck? The fuck? Get the fuck off of me. You doing... I don't give a fuck. So what? Take me out to take me to fucking jail. You doing all this extra shit for what? Sit.
Get on your stomach. On your stomach.
I can't. The fuck?
Had enough? You finished?
Get my fucking face on the ground.
You finished? BP 31 468.
I don't care because there's a camera right down the fucking on the hotel.
You finished?
In the footage, Scavone is seen approaching the woman, attempting to touch her neck while asking, "What do we have here?" as he reaches toward her necklace or chest area. When the woman turns away, Scavone's response is swift and brutal. He slams her against the hood of his police vehicle with force. He then yells, "Don't ever pull away from me," as the woman cries out in distress, pleading, "Get off of me."
You finished fighting me? Are you finished or no? Stand here, shut up. Understand me? Or no?
I heard you.
Don't move. 468. One time D Martin, south of Tropicana. What else you want to do, tough guy?
Go ahead and take me to jail. That's all I want you to do.
You got it. What do you got here?
That's fine. Don't touch my breath. Ben, what the fuck?
Ever pull away from me?
Everything is fucking being recorded. You're abusing me for no fucking reason. And you know that. I'm not doing shit.
Ever pull away from me? Understand me?
The fuck?
Take it out.
Get off of me!
Take it out.
Don't touch my breath. What the fuck?
What else you got?
Get off of me!
What else you got?
Get off of my titty! You're in my fucking shirt! What the fuck?
Reach for anything while I'm talking to you.
Get off of me! No! Stop!
You finished?
Stop!
In the car. In the car.
Oh my God!
You're gonna what? What are you gonna do?
What are you doing?
In the car.
The situation continues to deteriorate in the footage from where Scavone is seen retrieving what appears to be keys and a cell phone from the woman's shirt. When she attempts to pull away again, Scavone forcefully slams her against the hood a second time. The woman involved, Amanda Ortiz, was arrested on charges of littering and loitering, charges that were later dropped. Ortiz filed a complaint and a lawsuit against the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department, citing the deep sense of vulnerability and fear she felt during the encounter. In a 2016 interview with Kalas TV, Ortiz expressed her feelings, stating, "You're an officer that's supposed to be there for my safety, and at that point, I just felt unsafe." As a result of the lawsuit, the department's Fiscal Affairs Committee agreed to a $200,000 settlement for Ortiz. Scavone was subsequently terminated from his position within the department. His plea deal included a 1-year prison sentence and a $100,000 fine, with his sentencing scheduled for January 2018. Originally, Scavone faced more severe charges, including violating the woman's civil rights and falsifying his report to obstruct an FBI investigation, as reported by the Las Vegas Review-Journal. However, his guilty plea was specifically centered on admitting to using excessive force during the encounter, which led to his eventual conviction and sentencing. McMillan's lawsuit, filed in 2018, brought to light serious allegations against former Covert Township police officer Fritz. The lawsuit claimed that during a traffic stop in July 2016, Fritz arrested the driver for drunk driving and then allegedly took McMillan to 2 separate hotel rooms, where she was reportedly raped on 3 different occasions. The federal lawsuit detailed unwanted sexual advances, harassment and assault, citing violations of the Elliott Larson Civil Rights Act and the 14th Amendment, based on the alleged harassment McMillan endured.
Are you paying on now?
Yes, my friend Melissa said she's going to get a hold of her friend Joe.
Okay, well, put it this way. You got about less than 5 minutes for her to make that decision. If not, I'm going to end up probably impounding your car and you can go to his house, okay?
Oh my God, please.
All right?
And she said he's an older minister.
Did you put your pants on? Where did you put your pants on?
Minister, please tell me right now. Melissa said he was.
I don't know. Are you going to put your...
God.
Do you have a problem with me looking in the car to make sure there's no marijuana so I can smell it? Can I look in your car and make sure there's no marijuana?
Oh my God, you can look in this car. I am a nurse.
Okay.
There's nothing
Can
in
you
there.
do me a favor and stand right about here for me? Where my light is?
Yes.
Can you stand or can you not? You were going to be putting them on a couple minutes ago, so...
No, I had a skirt on.
Where's your skirt at?
I don't know, it's in this car. But I was driving. He was driving. I was driving.
Your skirt is in the car? I do not see your skirt.
I don't.
In her account, McMillan explained that she was severely intoxicated, barely recalling leaving a bar before the traffic stop occurred. She alleged that after being taken to the second hotel, she passed out, only to wake up and find Fritz engaging in unwanted sexual activity without using protection. McMillan also claimed that Fritz ordered her to disrobe, showered while she was disoriented, and took unauthorized nude photos of her. This disturbing sequence of events is captured in the lawsuit.
I'm wrong. I don't either. What did he say?
Okay. Do me a favor. Come on, stand out here for me, all right, Melissa?
Look.
You don't want to kick that shoe. There you go. That'd probably be better here. I'll throw your shoe on the floor for you.
Yeah.
You can just leave that there. That's fine. Do me a favor. Hang on.
Ex-husband.
Hang on. Right there in the front of the car for me, okay?
It's okay.
That's all right. There's no reason for you to be sorry. I heard you.
Hold it for my son.
During the preliminary hearing in the criminal case, McMillan testified about the incident, stating that she sought a sexual assault kit at a hospital the next day on the advice of an ex-boyfriend. This testimony became a crucial part of the case against Fritz.
Hey, sir.
All right. Come on with me. Come on, Melissa. I need you to hop out.
Yes, sir. Let me get my stuff.
You got everything?
Yes, I'm okay.
All right.
Right here. Where's your makeup?
It's right next to you. Right there.
Okay, there it is, sir. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
That's okay. I know. You even misplaced it. Come on with me. I know. You'll get it straightened out. You'll get it straightened out. I need you to come with me, Melissa.
I know you need me to get out of this car right now.
I know you.
I'm going to give this to you right now. I hope I'm my cigarettes because I'm stuck in the room right now.
I'll get you one.
I'm sorry, I'm so into you.
That's okay.
There's a volunteer officer.
Fritz resigned from the Covert Township Police within 2 weeks of the incident and later accepted a plea deal, pleading no contest to unlawful imprisonment. As part of the plea agreement, charges of first-degree criminal sexual conduct and kidnapping were dropped. Fritz was sentenced to 1 year in jail and probation. Throughout the legal proceedings, Fritz maintained that all actions were consensual, a sentiment echoed by his attorney. The township's attorney defended the training provided to Fritz, asserting that no amount of training could have prevented his alleged actions. The settlement funds paid to McMillan came from an insurance fund that serves Michigan townships. Although McMillan did not comment on the settlement, she did speak at Fritz's sentencing, expressing her belief that justice had not been fully served. Initially, Van Buren County and the Sheriff's Office were included in the lawsuit, but they were later dismissed from the case. The settlement ultimately marked the resolution of a complex and distressing legal matter that involved serious allegations against a former police officer, leading to a federal court settlement that closed this chapter in McMillan's fight for justice. In an incident involving a woman arrested for driving while intoxicated, a significant controversy arose over the conduct of Officer K.E. Van Althius during the pat-down search. The situation was captured on body camera footage, and the details have sparked intense debate. The controversy began when Officer Van Althius conducted a pat-down search on the woman. In the footage,
driving.
You can refuse to do the test, but what's going to happen then is we're going to take you to a breathalyzer, and that'll do a breath analysis for your BAC.
So I went to.
And you're going to lose your license. The DMV will automatically, your license is automatically going to be
to my
suspended 30 days.
He's not there. I'm getting gas.
Okay.
And now we have to do it.
Like I said, these are standard field sobriety tests. If you're not impaired, you'll be able to drive out of here. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
Yeah, I had one drink.
Okay, one drink is all right. Okay. All right. Are you willing to do any test for us to make sure you're okay to drive? Listen, I think you're gonna ace this test. Okay? We won't even have to do all 3 of them. I think you're gonna do fine on the first one. Okay. But we won't know until we try. Okay. And so you don't have to do the test. But then we're going to rely only on the driving history that we've seen so far and the admission of alcohol.
I pulled into my friend's place.
Sure.
Right, I'm getting gas.
Yeah, so...
And then now I'm pulled over.
Yeah, so listen, he was just...
What did I do to get pulled over, though?
That officer already had explained that he had seen you basically jump 2 curbs.
2 curbs?
While you were driving.
Well, that's on video, right?
Yes, it is.
It is on video.
Yeah.
So then now I have to do, like, the test.
You do not have to. We already explained that to you. But we want you to be able to do the test so you can prove that you're okay to drive. Because right now all we have is driving history and an admission of drinking of alcohol, which is enough for us to arrest. I'm not saying I want to do that, but we want to make sure you're okay to drive. Does that make sense?
That's fine. I
All
get
right?
it.
Do you feel like you're okay? Are you willing to do it?
the officer is seen performing the search, which led to accusations from the woman's attorney, Karen Griffin. Griffin alleged that the pat-down crossed the line into sexual assault. The specific actions that raised concern were highlighted in the footage.
Can you step out for us? Can you step out for me? I think you're going to be just fine. I'm going to hold your door so it doesn't hit the gas pump. Just walk back over there. All right, you can walk right over here. All right, so there's 3 tests. The first one, I'm going to check your vision, all right? So you have glasses. You can go ahead and remove those.
Yeah?
Yes, go ahead.
Am I good?
Yeah, you can go ahead and remove them.
Like,
All right.
ooh, got $1. Sorry.
All right, so I'm going to be checking your vision. So I'm going to be looking at what's called horizontal gaze nystagmus. Is there any medical reason that you'd have that would cause issues with your eyes, causing them to twitch or anything of that nature?
I mean, they twitch all the time.
The vision, yeah, it's not related to the glasses. So, all right. Okay, so no medical reason? All right. So what I need you to do is stand with your feet together, hands down to your side. Okay. I'm going to have you look at the tip of my finger and follow it with your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand? Okay. Follow the stimulus with your eyes only until the test is complete. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
where Officer Van Althius unzipped the driver's jacket, touched her breasts, and appeared to shake them before moving on to search her shorts. After the woman failed sobriety tests, the officers proceeded to handcuff her.
The opportunity to blow into an instrument later. It's called an intoxilizer, okay? I'm going to explain all those instructions to you later, all right? So you are going to be transported to jail. Do you need anything out of your car? Cell phone, wallet, keys, anything like that? We're going to park the car for you, if that's okay, over in a parking spot, so you can get to it later. Is that fair?
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Do you have your cell phone on you?
No, I don't want to.
It's in your car. Do you want us to get that for you?
It's like all the above, like my purse,
Wallet, cell phone,
all the
keys.
things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll grab
Thank
it.
you.
Yeah. You can, yeah. You good? Is your car unlocked?
Should be.
So you can just walk her back. We'll get that.
I'll get this to the plate. All right.
We're not getting it now?
No, we'll get it. What do you need? Your wallet, purse, keys, that kind of stuff?
My dirty LaCroix car.
What?
Sorry, basic white girl.
That's okay.
Two purses here. Do you want both of them?
The brown one.
This one?
Thank you, yeah.
And you say keys or something else, or keys and wallet? See, this is the wallet.
Well, are you going to park it and let me get it, or what's going to happen? Like, how does
We're gonna try and park
this
the
work?
So we're gonna park the car. And you weren't honest with us.
I'm not fighting you.
No,
I'm not arguing.
I'm not gonna say anything bad about you at all.
In a way that you can be polite. Because I fucked up.
Babe, if you
But
come over here, well, I'll let you do it since you're gonna be the one transporting. He's just
Can I just ask you a bunch of questions, though?
you could ask this probably in court, most of them, but go ahead.
All the things. All right, so I am going to jail tonight, right?
Yes,
Cool. All right, not cool, but it happens. So what does it take for me to get bailed out tomorrow before work?
That would be up to a magistrate. You're gonna see the magistrate.
A what?
The judge at the jail.
Okay.
You're gonna see a judge. It's gonna be up to the judge to say what it's gonna take for you to get out. We're not gonna say anything bad about you other than the facts of why we stopped here and what happened here.
I mean, I
But
get
you were
it.
nothing but flying profit for us, so I can't imagine that we have a big problem with that. Can you?
No. So what'll happen is probably within an hour and a half.
I'm just saying,
2
I
hours
work at 3:30 tomorrow.
in the afternoon, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I have no idea what a magistrate is going to say. You've been nothing but polite and cooperative with us. We'll let the magistrate know that, and they take that into account.
What are you looking for? There ain't nothing in there. You already found all the LaCroix. Sorry. I should probably be more upset, but I'm not.
He's got to check. He's doing his job.
I get it.
So, yes, you will see a magistrate shortly, and then a magistrate will tell you what you have to do to get out of jail. Does that make sense? Yeah. What other questions do you have?
What do I gotta do to get out of jail? I don't want to go there.
A magistrate will tell you.
The search became even more contentious.
Really fucking.
It wasn't.
This is not fun. I was like gonna be like, hey, cool.
Hold on a second.
Okay.
So you have to search your person as well. Do you have anything on you that I got to worry
I don't
about?
have anything.
Nothing that's gonna poke or stick me.
Man, sucks. So, do I have to call somebody to bail me out? Am I just gonna get bailed out? How does that work?
If they set bail conditions,
I mean, I feel like
then you have to
bail
call
conditions.
someone. Like I said, after you get done with the processing, you have access to a phone, and you'll see a magistrate.
I don't know any of these numbers here. I'm not from here.
I appreciate your cooperation. Got anything in your pockets?
No, I don't have anything.
Where Officer Van Althius requested the woman to turn around and spread her legs, running his hand between them. This action, especially, was characterized by Griffin as highly invasive and inappropriate. She argued that the officer touched her client in a way that no one, particularly a woman, would want to be touched by a man, making the situation deeply distressing for her client. However, Raleigh Chief of Police Cassandra Deck-Brown defended Officer Van Althius during a press conference, standing firmly behind his actions. In her defense, Deck-Brown rejected Griffin's allegations and maintained that the officer conducted a legitimate and lawful search, adhering to his training and professional standards. She emphasized that Officer Van Althius acted within established protocols and remained professional throughout the search. In her statement, Deck-Brown described the allegations as baseless, unfounded, and harmful to the officer's reputation. This incident has since sparked a heated debate, with some viewing the officer's actions as a necessary part of a valid search, while others believe it crossed the line into inappropriate conduct amounting to sexual assault. The situation has brought to the forefront ongoing concerns about police procedures and what constitutes proper conduct during such searches, leading to a broader discussion on the issue.